Welcome to the Lean Huddle Boards training. In this session, we will cover the basics of Lean Huddle Boards, their purpose, and how they can help improve communication and performance in a lean organization. Lean Huddle Boards are visual tools that help teams communicate effectively during brief daily meetings. They are designed to keep everyone on the same page regarding performance, issues, and goals. Let's explore the key components of a typical Lean Huddle Board and how each one contributes to the overall effectiveness of the tool. The metrics section displays critical data such as production targets and quality metrics. Action items help keep track of what needs to be done, while problem-solving focuses on identifying and addressing issues. Team recognition boosts morale by celebrating successes. Setting up an effective huddle board involves choosing the right components and organizing them in a way that supports your team's needs. Determine objectives. What do you want to achieve with the board? Select key metrics. Choose metrics that are relevant to your goals. Design layout. Arrange components logically for easy use. Assign ownership. Ensure accountability for each section. Conducting effective huddles is key to maximizing the benefits of your huddle board. Let's look at some best practices. Daily routine. Hold huddles at the same time each day. Keep it brief, limit to 10-15 minutes. Focus on issues. Prioritize discussing problems and solutions. Consistency is crucial. Short, focused meetings help keep the team engaged and on track. Encouraging participation ensures that everyone's perspective is heard and valued. Engagement is crucial for the success of Lean Huddle Boards. Here's how to foster a collaborative environment. Rotate leadership. Let different team members lead huddles. Celebrate wins. Recognize achievements, no matter how small. Solicit feedback. Ask for input on the board's effectiveness. Address concerns. Make changes based on feedback. By rotating leadership, you empower the team and keep meetings dynamic. Celebrating wins and acting on feedback show that the board is a tool for everyone. Lean Huddle Boards are a great tool for continuous improvement. Let's explore how to use them for problem solving. Identify problems. Use the board to track recurring issues. Root cause analysis. Apply methods like the 5 whys. Action plans. Develop steps to address root causes. Follow-up. Monitor the effectiveness of implemented solutions. The board should not only highlight problems, but also encourage finding and implementing solutions. Regular follow-ups ensure that problems are resolved permanently. While Lean Huddle Boards are simple tools, there are common mistakes that can reduce their effectiveness. Let's go through them. Overloading information. Keep it simple and focused. Infrequent updates. The board must be updated daily. Lack of engagement. Ensure everyone participates. Ignoring the board. Address issues shown on the board promptly. Avoid overwhelming the team with too much information. Ensure the board is always current and that everyone feels responsible for its upkeep and usefulness. Measuring the impact of your huddle board helps ensure that it's driving the right behaviors and outcomes. Track improvements. Measure changes in key metrics over time. Survey team satisfaction. Get feedback from the team on the board's effectiveness. Adjust as needed. Make changes based on metrics and feedback. Document success stories. Share examples of how the board has helped. Continuous monitoring and adjustments are vital to maintaining a useful huddle board. Celebrating successes helps reinforce its value. Lean Huddle Boards should evolve with your team. Let's discuss how to use them for ongoing improvement. Regular reviews. Evaluate the board's effectiveness monthly. Incorporate new ideas. Always be open to trying new formats or metrics. Encourage innovation. Let the team suggest improvements. Stay flexible. Adapt the board as team needs change. Keep the board relevant and useful by regularly reviewing its impact and being open to changes that can improve team performance and engagement. Praxie provides simple yet powerful tools for huddle board management, as well as dozens of other process solutions. Contact your representative to learn more. In conclusion, we've covered the basics of Lean Huddle Boards, their components, and best practices for implementation. And now that you're ready, complete your assessment today.